I wish I had the same delusion that I did when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, guess that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish somebody would've it, should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know, it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, guess that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. Man, that baggage is heavy. Maybe I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Jag kollar dig hela tiden. Hej, hej. Nu ska jag zooma in dig lite så att jag kommer närmare dig. Då kan du säga hej mamma.
Hej mamma.
Hej pappa.
Hej pappa.
Yeah. What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you discover you've not thought about. You can never figure out every possible outcome, and you're so scared you'll get it wrong. Have a good time, but a worry after. Petrified, will they think I'm awkward? When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions, you already know that you're gonna think about this for a while. While you try not to lose your mind, not to believe the lies that you tell yourself, that you tell yourself. Have a good time, but worry after. Petrified, will they think I'm awkward? When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Worry won't change the outcome, but I've been doing this for so long. My brain keeps signaling danger, although I know that I'll be just fine. Worry won't change the outcome, but I've been doing this for so long. My brain keeps signaling danger, although I know that I'll be just fine. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Ashimary Hair Shop. You Ashimary, y'all know, if you know me, I love this company, okay? They never disappoint. I may not know how to say their name. Child, I may not know how to say the name right, but I love this company. That's all that matters. You guys see the name in the title. Alright, so the wig that I am rocking, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the details and specs they gave me outline, because baby, I'm nobody's actress. Alright y'all, so straight out of the box, this wig is a look, it's a vibe. It is the ultimate beginner friendly wig. It literally comes with, it is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut, meaning the lace is pre-cut. So all you have to do is slap old girl on and keep moving. And honestly y'all, glueless, okay? That says a whole lot, especially for me, because if you know me, you know your girl struggles with the glueless wigs, okay? I really be struggling. So it says no glue installation. I did not use glue, but they did send tape. I did not utilize the tape. The tape was not necessary for me, but it's here. And I love me some good tape, okay? I often feel like when it comes to the closures or the 6x4.5 lace, I don't necessarily have to use any tape, but it's good to have it handy. So I also want to throw out with this particular wig that it does have the drawstring in the back. So if you want to wear the wig up, you can wear it up and you can still feel secure because it has a drawstring. And you guys know, like, child, I know y'all remember drawstring ponytails. Is that still a thing? If it's still a thing, yes. It's like that. Like, you can literally drawstring this wig and then you can wear it up and still feel secure, because the biggest thing is feeling secure with this wig. Yeah, I think that's it as far as the details and specs. Now, they wanted me to show this wig in different styles and all that. You guys know I really don't do that in real life. I'll do it for a video, but I don't in real life. So, for this video, I did this wig completely dry. No product, no water, no anything initially. So I styled it dry and showed you guys what this wig will look like dry in a middle part, dry in my favorite little style, I don't know what to call it, and dry in a ponytail. and dry with a ponytail and headband and a just the headband. Okay, so I showed you guys all that, and then I decided to layer it. I didn't decide it. Let me keep it a book. They told me to layer it. Okay, so I decided per them to layer the wig and then add water and product. And honestly, shout out to them, because baby, she's a much better look. Okay, she's a much better look. So you guys have seen this wig styled with no product, no mousse, no water, no nothing, no layers. And then I am showing you guys it's styled with both or all of them. Okay, so yeah, it's a very versatile wig. So I also want to throw out there that I did use my hot comb on the baby hairs. Now, the baby hairs do come as 4C baby hairs. You don't necessarily have to straighten them out if that's not your vibe, that's not your thing. But I will say this, I straightened my baby hairs out, and when I applied water, it kind of reverted back. Not completely, but sort of, which in my opinion gives it a much more natural look. That's my opinion, child. Don't hold me to it. As far as this wig being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. I did use the elastic band to make the wig more snug. But if you have a larger head, you can make old girl work without making her snug. Okay, so I would say whether you have a small to large head, you can make this wig work across the board, in my opinion, especially with it being a closure. And then you have the drawstring in the back, which makes it even easier. So yeah, as far as shedding and tangling, in my opinion, it does both, but it is a kinky curly wig, but it's super manageable. So I did use this brush, detangled it, added my product, added my water, all things, and I feel like it's a vibe. Like, so yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. So we're gonna start with the cons, because I like to end on a high note, and I'm gonna keep it a whole book with y'all. I honestly could not think of a con. Nope, couldn't think of one. It was maybe the frizz. It does frizz a bit. So yeah, let's say that. Let's say the frizz is gonna be the con. It's not really a con. Once again, it's something that makes it look more realistic, more natural. But if I had to pick a con, it's gonna be that. So the pros with this particular wig is completely endless. I feel like it's the ultimate beginner friendly wig. I also feel like I stated, it's the ultimate lazy girl wig. Okay, and you guys know your girl is lazy. Okay, she lazy. So because it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut, it's the ultimate throw on, let's go wig. Okay, you may want to add a little product, but it's not necessary. Even without product, this wig is a look, it's a banger, it's all the things. So yeah, those are my pros. Obviously, I would recommend this wig, child. You seen me struggle finding a con. Okay, so yes, I would recommend this unit. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am definitely feeling this wig. I love the versatility. You guys know I love a good versatile wig. It's hard to find one. It's hard to come by one, okay? So shout out to Ashimary, Ashy, whatever. Shout out to them for this unit. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, girl. Oh, also, if you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing not 1 red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media websites, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Hairline C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you lovebugs next time. Bye.
Freestyles and weekly disastrous.